1969 Mercury Cougar XR7, listed in Burlington, North Carolina for $17,500. This vintage Cougar is powered by a 351 cubic inch Windsor V8 engine and comes with an automatic transmission. It has 61,500 original miles and runs excellent, shifting smoothly on the road. It's equipped with power steering and power brakes, though the brake booster needs replacement due to a vacuum leak. The frame, floor, and trunk pans are solid, with only minor rust near the rear tires and under the trunk. The windows all work, but the front ones don't close properly, and the front end has a squeak. It may have had a vinyl top at some point, though the paint condition is unknown. New parts include an HEI distributor, gas pump, and starter, though the starter may need a shim. Some items need attention, such as the brake booster, turn signals, clock, tachometer, and door alignment. That said, all the lights, including interior ones, are working, and it comes with a clean South Carolina title. Check the link in the description to contact the seller. (1973) Chevrolet Caprice, listed in Harned, Kentucky for $17,000. This classic Caprice has 50,240 miles and sits on a very solid body, with the floors and trunk in great shape. It still wears its original paint, now preserved with a thin coat of new color and clear. Under the hood, it's been updated with a 5.3-liter engine paired to a 700 R4 automatic transmission, offering a nice blend of classic style and modern drivability. Recent upgrades include new brakes, a new exhaust system, and a set of true-spoke wheels. It runs and drives great, and the mostly original interior is in good shape, though the driver's seat shows some wear. Air conditioning is present but not currently connected. (1968) Oldsmobile Delta 88, listed in Wingina, Virginia for $18,000. This classic beauty is powered by a strong 455 cubic inch rocket V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has under 70,000 original miles and still runs smooth and strong. The car features an all-original interior and exterior, both in great shape for its age. It has been recently inspected and is fully roadworthy, with a clean title ready to go. A solid choice for anyone looking to enjoy a dependable vintage ride with true Oldsmobile style. (1958) Chevrolet Biscayne, listed in Sevierville, Tennessee for $16,700 or best offer. This four-door sedan shows 55,000 miles and is powered by its original 283 cubic inch V8 engine. It features an automatic transmission that shifts smoothly and has seen several recent upgrades, including a new intake, carburetor, HEI ignition, aluminum radiator, fuel pump, and fresh hoses. It also comes equipped with power steering, new seat belts, a JVC stereo with new speakers, and a fully redone interior. The car rides on rally wheels with dual exhaust and maintains its original rust-free floors and body panels. It drives great and is ready to be enjoyed anywhere. This is a solid, stylish classic that's turnkey ready for its next owner. (1964) Chevrolet Biscayne, listed in Willowick, Ohio for $14,500 or best offer. This classic Chevy is powered by a 350 cubic inch engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It has been tastefully upgraded with a front disc brake conversion done last year, a 2-inch drop all around, and a fresh set of new wheels and tires. The car starts, runs, and drives, and it's a great candidate for local car shows or weekend cruising. Comes with a clean and clear Ohio title. The seller is not interested in trades. (1970) Chevrolet Chevelle, listed in Orient, Ohio, for $12,500. This classic Chevy is powered by a 307 cubic inch small block Chevy engine and comes with an automatic transmission. It has only 38,000 original miles and is a one-owner car, originally purchased by an elderly woman. The car was moved from Louisiana to Ohio 15 years ago and includes the original build sheet. The body still wears all original paint, with minor dents and scratches from the original owner, just some bumps and bruises. Overall, it's a very solid car that runs and drives great, and it comes with new tires. There are two pricing options. For $12,500, you'll get the car with Weld racing wheels and hubcap adapters, or for $10,500, it comes with factory wheels. The car also has a clean title. (1964) Buick Electra 225, listed in Cascade, Wisconsin, for $11,800 or best offer. This six-window hardtop, known for its pillarless style, has 67,000 miles on it and still carries its original charm. Under the hood is a rebuilt 401 nailhead V8 with only about 1,000 miles since the work was done. It drives straight at highway speeds, 70 miles per hour with no brake issues, and rolls on a fresh set of Vogue tires with around 1,000 miles on them. It's got a brand new straight-pipe dual exhaust setup and retains its completely original interior. There is some typical Wisconsin rust and a few scratches in the paint, but the frame is solid and the floors are in decent shape. All the windows roll up and down smoothly and are free of cracks. The horn and lights work just fine, though the windshield wipers aren't currently functional. The seller avoids driving it in the rain. It also has stylish weigh-in finned valve covers under the hood to give it a little extra pop. Comes with a clear Wisconsin title in the seller's name. (1971) Opel GT, listed in Chesterfield Township, Michigan, for $10,500. This sporty little classic has 67,000 miles and runs a 1.9-liter four-cylinder engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission. It's a dependable cruiser and smooth on the highway, with performance upgrades like a Weber carburetor conversion, electronic ignition, and a header pipe exhaust. It also has new brakes, fresh tires, and a newer clutch. Inside, the carpet was recently replaced, and the rear package tray has been modified for extra storage. The original spare tire and jack are included. The exterior was restored over 20 years ago and still shows well, though the lacquer paint has a few minor scratches and dings. The doors and floors are solid, with some rust near the battery tray. All electrical systems are in working order, and the car comes with manuals and a cover. (1964) Buick Skylark, listed in Paw Paw, Michigan, for $7,995. This four-door sedan is a great example of a well-preserved classic. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 300 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It comes equipped with power steering, making it a smooth and easy drive. The car runs excellently, sits on a solid frame, and is completely original with just 65,000 original miles. It's a fantastic option for parades or for anyone looking to enjoy an affordable and charming vintage ride. (1973) Plymouth Valiant, listed in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania, for $7,000. This classic Valiant features the reliable slant-six engine and has 84,500 miles on it. It runs well with a vintage look and solid build, though it has some minor imperfections that add to its character. The car also includes some new parts. The seller hasn't provided many specifics on the car's condition, so if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the owner directly for more details. This Plymouth is a great option for someone looking for a dependable classic with some old-school charm.